Replacing a flexible plug-in card, FPIC. Take appropriate ESD measures before you perform operations. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the two captive screws. Do not install or remove an FPIC when the screws are not loosened. Hold the captive screws with each hand and pull out the FPIC smoothly. Check that the new FPIC is not damaged or deformed. Hold the upper and lower captive screws on the FPIC with each hand and insert the FPIC along the guide rails of the slot. Check that the two captive screws are loosened. Do not install or remove an FPIC when the screws are not loosened. Use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten the captive screws.